Hey, look at those egg bites. Ah, don't they look delicious? They're healthy. I'm going to show you how to make egg bites in your Instant Pot at home. Check these things out. These are loaded with everything I like. Look at all that bacon. Oh my gosh. Let's cut it open and see what it looks like. Ah, bacon and some green onions. My God. Well, that's me. I am Instant Pot Dave, the TheWildWaynes. Just about to dig into these egg bites. Check this out. Look how much stuff is in there. And it is fully loaded egg bite. Tons of bacon. And those green onions, man, they go good. Well, let's go ahead and start this off. We're going to do 2 different batches of egg bites. So we're going to go ahead and chop up our vegetables that we need. We have some green onions that we're going to chop up nice and fine. And we're going to do some spinach that we're going to cut up real small too. Now it's important you cut it up real small so that it fits inside your little egg bites. And that way they'll kind of float around in your egg mix too. We're going to go ahead and put some red bell peppers in with the spinach today. So let's go ahead and dice up a red bell pepper nice and small. Now comes my favorite part. 4 pieces of thick cut bacon, pre-cooked. And so go ahead and cut that up real small. And we'll do 1/2 a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. I use mild cheddar. I think the mild cheddar goes a little bit better. We have 1/2 a cup of ricotta cheese as well. Super smooth, and it doesn't make anything sour. And 1/2 a cup of cream. Don't forget to put salt and pepper on your eggs. So we're going to do 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a little bit of black pepper. And we have 4 eggs that we're going to crack and drop into our blender. All right, let's go ahead and blend these eggs up. So, check that out. Now, I wasn't thinking I was going to need to blend it. I thought it was going to be better with just a mix of cheese and everything inside, but it's a mess. And it turns out so good when it's blended up. It is so silky smooth, and all the texture comes from what you add to it. It's amazing. Well, here we go. So, our first egg bite mold, we're going to go ahead and load them up with bacon and green onions, and then we'll go ahead and pour our egg mix in on top. And you can go all the way to the top. If it overflows, no big deal. You can just peel it right off. But you have just a little bit left, no matter what I did. Now go ahead and put your lid on. If you have a silicone lid, you can snap right on over the edge. If not, put some aluminum foil on it or some wax paper. The next batch we make, we're going to put 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder in there too. And don't forget your salt and pepper. We're going to have our red bell peppers in there with some spinach that we cut up earlier. And we'll go ahead and put that egg mixture on there. Remember, there's just a little bit of garlic powder in there. And oh my God, it is good. And we'll go ahead and fill them up just a little bit under the top with our egg mixture. And once you get them filled up, go ahead and put your lid on. Same thing, if you don't have a lid, go ahead and put some aluminum foil on there. Now we can go ahead and put that right into our Instant Pot. I love this mold. It comes with handles and everything, and it's built-in trivet. Go ahead and put the lid on, seal it up, and pressure cook for 8 to 10 minutes. If you're doing bacon, 8 minutes is fine. If you're doing red bell peppers, there's a little bit more water inside of them. I recommend 10 minutes. Natural release pressure for 10 minutes. There you go. Let that steam out. Oh, it smells so good. Your whole house smells like breakfast. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take those out. And I will have a link to the mold that I used for our egg bites. I thought it worked perfectly. How do you get those egg bites out? Well, take the lid off, put your cutting board on top and flip it over. Boom. To get them out of your mold, and it's kind of wiggling around, you can kind of push the top in and they'll come right out. If they don't come out, they're not done yet. Put them back in the Instant Pot for like another minute. Take a look at this red bell pepper spinach egg bite. Isn't that beautiful? Look, the salt and pepper there, it's just suspended exactly where it's supposed to be. Everything is perfectly mixed. It is so good. Look at that. Egg bite. All right, you guys. Fantastic breakfast. If you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell. Get notified when we get another video out there for you to watch. I'll give you the best recipes that I can find, I promise. If you are interested in this recipe, there is a link in this video's description that'll take you right to it. Once you're there, you can go ahead and print it off. Take a look around. We have all kinds of other stuff you can look at. We appreciate you guys. Give us a thumbs up if you like it. Share our videos with your friends. Take care of yourselves out there, everybody. And bye-bye.